Hey, guys, today, let's learn how to make a poll on Snapchat. In this quick guide, if you guys want to go ahead and create a poll on Snapchat, well, all we need to do is to watch this video until the end, and I'm gonna teach you guys, step by step, how. Alright guys, what we need to do first is to tap on the Snapchat application, and I want you to go ahead and proceed with taking a quick photo. Alright guys, so we are gonna have some options over here on our right side of the screen, and what I want you guys to do is to proceed with actually tapping on these stickers options. So we are gonna have a few options on here, and I want you to tap on the poll option right there. As you see, we're gonna have the option to create a poll. So in this case, just go ahead and type in the specific question that you would like to ask, or anything that you would like to create a poll on. And then you could also change the emojis over here on whatever you'd like. And that's how you guys could easily just create a poll, just by using this poll option, available on these stickers. Option on your Snapchat stickers. Now go and just send this to anybody you like, or are your story. And that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.